name is Arko, and this is our Rube Goldberg project. Our main goal for this project is to get the marbles at the end of the cup that we have in this system that we have.
My name is Ryan, and here we have a pulley system which I'll cut with this scissor, making the ball hit the wheel and axle going down the inclined plane, hitting these blocks, causing a domino effect.
My name is Maria, and then the weight of the book will go down the cup, hitting this cup go down, which will make mechanical advantage, hitting the lever. So then the lever will go up, not getting the marbles to go up too, going down the screw through this hole, to these cups, so down to the last cup all the way in the bottom.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far